channel That Frugal Diva. I am Shraddha and in today's video we'll be doing a Nykaa haul. So recently I purchased few products from Nykaa. All the products which are in the haul are below 500 rupees, so they are super affordable. These products are tried and tested by me, so I will be giving my brutally honest reviews about them. So I will also be linking down the timestamp for each of the products below in the description box. So if you want a review about any certain product, you can jump to that part of the video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first product in this haul is going to be Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation. I am in the shade 220. So this retails for 549, but I got for 412 in the sale. So talking about the packaging, it is great that Maybelline has added a pump on the top. Before it used to come without the pump and it used to spill a lot. It was like very inconvenient to use, but after this pump it has really saved a lot of spillage. And it comes in a glass bottle, so it is a bit heavy, but overall the packaging is okay. Talking about the product, it provides high coverage and it claims to be matte, and yes, it is matte. You have to moisturize your skin very well before applying this, otherwise it can give that patchy feel on your skin. So the only drawback I feel about it is that it is not transfer proof and you have to set it with a setting powder before, otherwise it starts getting transferred. So if I would highly suggest this to anyone who is starting with makeup, as it blends very easily and it is also pocket friendly. The next product I got in this haul is this Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. I am in the shade 15 Fair. This retails for 499, but I got it around 356 in the sale. So this comes in a lipstick type packaging with an applicator on top. It color corrects as well as conceals very beautifully and it blends amazingly. I am totally loving this product. Although it is very creamy and it tends to form lines, so you have to bake it or set it with a setting powder or it starts creasing a lot. So the next product in this haul is going to be the Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick by Maybelline New York in the shade 75 Fighter. This retails for 650 rupees, but during the sale all the shades have different prices and I got this one for 455 rupees. This comes in a color-coded opaque packaging with a teardrop applicator, which makes it so easy to use. It claims to be long-lasting and yes, it lasts for a good 6 to 7 hours. It is quite pigmented too and one single swatch will be enough to cover your whole lips. It is definitely super stay and you will feel that while removing the lipstick. It does not go with your normal face wash. You have to use a makeup remover to remove this from your lips. Talking about the shade, it is on a nude end. So I have quite pigmented lips and I was facing a lot of difficulty in finding a good nude lipstick. I saw this in one of Kritika Khurana's vlog. Huge fan, so I had to buy it after that. And I am loving this shade after it. So anyone who wants to buy a good nude lipstick and you are having difficulty in finding that, you can definitely go for this and it provides a fantastic look. The next product is this Gala of London Pearl Face Powder in the shade Ivory. This retails for 120 rupees, but I got it for 108 during the sale. Talking about the packaging, it is not so great. It comes in a cheap type of packaging. Also the sponge which comes along with this is not so great. But in this price range, it has done a fairly good job. Talking about the product, it can be used for baking as well as setting. And it is not so great, but yeah, for the price range, it has done a fairly good job. So I would suggest this to anyone who is starting off with makeup. They can definitely go for this loose powder as it is one of the best loose powder in this price range. The next product is this Swiss Beauty 12 Ultra Professional Eyeshadow Collection in the shade 06. It retails for 349 rupees, but I got it for 224 rupees in the sale. I was looking for an eyeshadow with some bright colors and this has teal color in it, which attracted me the most to buy this product. So talking about the packaging, it has a decent packaging. It comes with a mirror on top and it comes along with a brush too. But the brush is not so useful for applying the eyeshadow actually. Talking about the pigmentation, only the color yellow is not quite pigmented. Other than that, rest all the colors are fabulous. So if you want some eyeshadow palette with some bright colors, you can definitely check this out. The last product in this haul has to be the Streaks Professional Hold and Play Funky Colors in the shade Wonder Blue. So I got so many DMs after I uploaded my picture on Instagram with this hair color. If you are not following me there, you should definitely check out my profile. I will link it down in the description box. So talking about the product, it retails for around 650 rupees, but I got it for around 455 rupees in the sale. So it is the most hassle-free hair color I have ever used. It comes in just one single tube and it is all. It takes around 40 to 1 hour for the color to actually show. So that is the duration you have to keep the hair color on. And talking about the stay, it starts bleeding after the first wash itself. It is not something particular to this brand. Actually, all the primary colors, red, blue, etc., it starts bleeding after your first hair color. It doesn't stay for longer time. But yeah, this is quite simple, and I used only 1/3 of the tube to color my hair. So you can use it multiple times. Like for my hair length, I can use it for minimum 4 or 5 times. So for 450 rupees, if you are getting a hair color 4-5 times and one hair color is staying for approximately 2 months or 1 month, then it is such a steal deal. I will post my picture here, which is after 2 washes, so you can definitely check it out, like how my hair looked after 2 washes. I will also post a picture here after the hair. Also, this is ammonia free and peroxide free, so it does not does much damage to your hair. My hair actually started feeling much better after using this product. It does not dry off your hair. Also, this product I used on my blonde hair, so if you're having a black hair, I don't know how it will actually turn out. So you can do one thing, you can apply a bleach on your hair. On top of that, you can deposit this color. So there are many bleaches available in the market, some from Streaks too. I will link that down in the description box. That was all for today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video. Comment down below your favorite product from this haul. I would love to see your comments. Also, I post videos on every Wednesdays and Saturdays, so do subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell icon so that you never miss any update from me. Bye, see you soon.